So Tori is learning how to be a mom. She was licking her babies. But her milk, it's come in, but it's not as plentiful as Emma's. So the smaller of your girl, Ritva is gonna be eating with Emma for a while. Emma's got almost too much milk, so she needs help with it. So we still have all 4 of your babies. We're just mama swapping. Yeah? New reality show. Mama swap. So this is Alex. And this is Tobias. And this is Sophia. And then Rita's waiting to eat. And then, of course, all of her babies, the Shire litter, waiting to eat with Emma. I can only do one mama at a time. Yeah. The little Vikings just finished. I think she's looking for her mama to lick her. Emma hadn't figured that out yet. But she will. We are happy to help you in the meantime. Yeah. And she doesn't know what to do. If I leave you, will you stay? I don't. I'm going to put this camera here as proof. And I'll bet you anything, you're going to pop up any minute. That was amazing, Emma. I'm sorry I misjudged you. You did good. Usually I have to keep a hand here just to remind her not to jump up. So Miss Belladonna too, are you ready for round 2? You want to go back to your station you had before? Sometimes they stop eating when they have to go to the bathroom. Alright, looks like Gandalf is paused. Mr. Gandalf the Grey, Great Dot, do you need to be pooped too? Okay, I'll put this here. Will I go? Let's go. Let's go. Honestly, no matter what we do, sometimes the mama's tongue is just the best thing, as nature intended. Would you, even though this is not your puppy, would you mind licking him? Would you? I know that's not your boy, but would you mind licking him? You want to lick him? You want to lick him? Want to help mama out? I can't get him to go. Yeah? Are you too tired to get up? Okay, I'll keep working on him. Kind of hurts my back to bend over like this. Okay, all right. Foreign poo is not for you. a little bit. Let's try again. Try again.
It's pretty tight here, so I think it needs to go. Don't think it's gas. Okay, I know. Would have been helpful if you would have leaked and told me, I'm just saying. Least you could do, because I gave you second breakfast. Yeah, you got 2 breakfasts because I didn't know Jeff had fed you. Here we go. There you go, big boy. Gotta get all those pops working inside here. Some hard things to go, then you get the message from the brain, and then you got everything working. There you go. Don't usually take this one. Are you dehydrated? Yeah. Okay. Maybe put more water in the incubator. Okay, we got a little bit, but not enough. You know what I'm gonna do? You know, because toys are cold. I'm gonna make...
You're supposed to lick it. You're supposed to lick your baby. Yeah, Emma. You're supposed to lick your baby. Lick your baby. Lick your baby. He finally charmed her into licking him. Good girl, Tori. Good girl. All right, well, she's getting it over there. You need to get your act together. Oh, I know you know how to lick. You like to lick. All right, I'm going to have Auntie Tori help with your goldberry. Give you a second chance to be a good mama, yeah? All you got to do is lick her little booty. That's all you got to do. Right there on the belly. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. No. Okay, that's just too weird. It's supposed to be natural, like instinctive. You wouldn't want to help another soul out, would you? Thank you, Auntie Tori. The only thing I don't like about this is just an amazing piece of equipment, but I always get the doors dirty with fingerprints because I guess you're supposed to open it with this little tiny thing, but usually I don't know, when I close it, I'm pushing it wherever and then I'm opening it there. That little tiny thing is just too small really to entice grabbing when you're in a hurry. This amazing piece of equipment though, that's the oxygenator. And that's what gives the moisture. I gotta make sure it's got the water in it. Put distilled water in it. And then it has the temp thing. I'm gonna get a fresh bed for them. They're kind of partly pooping in there. That's better. So we put underneath here all sorts of foam and stuff to prevent the... This is supposedly enough, but you don't want to get them flat chested. Soft. Nice and soft, yeah. Okay. Got a fresh bed. Over here. You are such a good mom, Tori. You are such a good mom. Licking Emma's babies for her. She's gonna owe you. She better share her treats and boy sticks for at least a year.